In TimeTonic, you have the possibility to share pre-filled forms. These are called external forms. To do this, start by creating a view. We will come to apply the restrictions that you want on the different columns. Now I just have to create a sharing URL to which I will apply the restrictions of my view. I can now come and apply restrictions on my form, the restrictions of a view. From then on, I can share this form with any of my clients. During the treatment of my operation, I may need to obtain additional information. To do this, I will add a read-write field that will therefore be accessible to anyone who has the link to my form. If I go back to the level of sharing my link and click on it to open it, I see that my field is indeed accessible. So I can check it off, save it, and when I come back to TimeTonic, I can indeed see that the change has been applied.